Hi guys, this is a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of an image in Photoshop. So please guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and let's go into the action. So this is our image. We want to change this image uh, background color to something else. What we shall do in this image, I'm going to come and choose the layer. I can press Ctrl J to copy this layer. I can press Ctrl J, and after that I can come here. I come to select, then I come to subject. So now we want to select the subject from the background. So we want to create the difference between the subject and the background. So after this, after our subject has been selected, I'm going to go direct to layers. I'll come to layers, then I come to fill layer, new fill layer, then I come to solid color here. So I'll choose that, and then after that I can say okay. You see it can automatically pop up. You see our image color is already changed. I can come to this color picker and I pick the color. For now I want to pick blue. Let's say I've picked blue, or maybe this color. Let's use blue for now. So I'll take blue and then I say okay. After saying okay, now we have the color fill layer, and then now we have our layer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here to select this layer. After selecting this layer, I will press Ctrl I to invert the image such that uh, this color does not uh, color up our image but colors the background. So for me to make it color the background, I have to invert the image. So I can press Ctrl I, or even go to I will come here to to image, under the image, and then adjustments, and under adjustments then I come to invert. So when I come to invert, it automatically takes my background color behind. So now here at this point, you see our background is already changed, but now we need to change the blending mode because that blending mode is not matching with the background that we had before. So for me to make it match the background, I change the blending mode to multiply. You see, as I'm checking on this blending modes, it is able to show me different blending modes that are there, and for now I'm going to take this one, multiply. I click on that one, multiply. You see our background has already been changed. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I love you. I sign out.